Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of physics. Today, I'm going to show you how physics shapes our daily lives in ways you might not even realize. From the bustling city streets to the quiet corners of your home, physics is at play everywhere. Get ready to have your mind blown because physics is everywhere. It's in the air we breathe, the ground we walk on, and even in the technology we use every day. First up, let's talk about something you use every single day, your smartphone. This little device is a marvel of modern physics. Ever wondered how you can hear a friend's voice from miles away? It's not magic, it's physics. That's all thanks to electromagnetic waves. These waves are a type of energy that travels through the air, allowing us to communicate over long distances. These waves travel through the air, carrying your voice from your phone to the nearest cell tower and back to your friend's phone. It's a seamless process that happens in the blink of an eye. Pretty cool, right? The next time you make a call, remember the incredible physics making it possible. Now let's move on to something a bit more explosive. Ever seen a rocket launch? It's one of the most spectacular demonstrations of physics in action. Newton's third law of motion, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction, is at play here. This fundamental principle is what propels rockets into space. When the rocket ignites, the gas pushes down and the rocket goes up. The force of the gas being expelled downwards creates an equal force that pushes the rocket upwards. Simple, yet powerful. This principle is the backbone of all space travel. But physics isn't just about big, flashy examples. It's also about the small things that make up our everyday experiences. Take your morning coffee, for instance. This simple pleasure is a great example of physics at work. The steam rising from your cup? That's heat transfer in action. The heat from the coffee transfers to the cooler air, creating steam. It's a mini demonstration of thermodynamics right in your hands. And if you stir in some sugar, that's diffusion at work, spreading the sugar molecules throughout the liquid. It's a simple yet fascinating process. The sugar molecules move from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration, mixing evenly throughout your coffee. Okay, let's get a bit more interactive. Ever tried to balance a broom on your hand? It's a fun way to explore physics. You're actually demonstrating the principles of center of mass and equilibrium. The broom balances because its center of mass is directly over your hand. Move your hand, and you'll need to adjust the broom to keep it balanced. It's a delicate dance of forces. Physics in action, my friends. And how about when you're riding a bike? Here's a fun fact. The wheels create angular momentum, which helps keep you upright. The faster you go, the easier it is to stay balanced. That's why learning to ride a bike is all about getting up to speed quickly. The momentum helps stabilize the bike, making it easier to balance. Finally, let's talk about something as simple as flipping a light switch. This everyday action is a great example of physics in our homes. What's happening here is the flow of electrons through a circuit. This flow creates an electric current, lighting up your room. It's a simple yet essential part of our daily lives. Without physics, we'd still be sitting in the dark. So next time you go about your day, take a moment to think about the physics behind your actions. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, physics is the force that binds the universe together. It's the invisible thread that connects everything. Thanks for watching and keep exploring the wonders of science. There's always something new to discover. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment if you want to see more videos like this. Catch you next time. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay curious.